Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix common Dodge Challenger screen issues. First, let's identify what might be going wrong. Many display problems, like a frozen or black screen, are often due to temporary software glitches. Don't worry, these are usually easy to fix with a few simple steps. We'll start with the easiest solutions and move to more involved ones. A soft reset is your first line of defense. To do this, simply press and hold the volume and tuner knobs on your Uconnect system simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. The screen should go black and then restart. This process is similar to restarting your phone and can clear many temporary software hiccups, getting your display back to normal quickly. If a soft reset doesn't work, a hard reset might be needed. This involves disconnecting your car's battery. Safely locate your battery and disconnect the negative terminal for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This completely drains any residual power, clearing deeper electrical or software conflicts. Remember to reconnect it securely afterward. This often resolves more stubborn issues. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, the screen issues persist. If you've tried both a soft and hard reset and your display is still not working, it might indicate a hardware problem. In such cases, it's best to seek professional help. Contact a certified Dodge dealership or a trusted automotive technician. They have the specialized tools and expertise to diagnose and repair complex issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.